Great start. Great start. Oh, my mic turned off too. Wow. All right. Okay. That was weird. So we're doing core again today because I want to. We'll be doing dreams again Tuesday, but I've learned a lot more about the networking, and I think I want to try to make a tower defense game. So I have a rudimentary system of placing towers down. It's not finished yet, but basically you can aim and click and then it spawns something in. So what I want to do now is try to make enemies follow a path. It shouldn't be too hard. It shouldn't be too hard. We'll see. Yeah, I can't imagine it being too hard. Let's start with drawing a path. How do we do that? How do we add our land? Terrain creator. Huh. Cube world flat. How about flat terrain? What the heck? So, oh my god, look, wait, it's this. And if we undo, oh my god, okay, that's way too big. I do want it to be, well, I guess. Sphere world, background mountains, how about that? Yo, what the heck? Look at this. This is cool. Okay. Oh my god, and I can just take the whole thing and move it. Wow. Okay, so we have background mountains. It's pretty much exactly what I wanted. I just wanted some sort of, you know, maybe we're in space or something. Some sort of background. Let's get rid of the floor. We don't need that anymore. And if we just play, yeah, our mesh floats. We don't really care. It's just kind of annoying. All right. Can we like turn off? The sun is really annoying right now. That's fine. The glare. All right, let's make a path. Can we paint this terrain? Is it a window? How do we paint terrain? We'll figure it out. Okay, we're editing it. Oh, here. Paint. Whoa. We're doing it. We did it. Okay, now strength. We want the brush size to be lower. I don't really care that it's well, oh man. What should we make our base? Oh, this isn't even working. Uh-oh. Oh, now it's working. Or hey Jay, what's up? Maybe we should make it so they only walk on objects. Because like, how are we gonna prevent towers from being placed on the path? That's something we need to keep in mind. And what does this look? Whoa. It's a decent sized path. Hey Hoshkins. How hard is it to learn the coding in this? It's Lua, yes. Okay, so I know I'm a programmer. I mainly work in C#. This is my 3rd day learning Lua. Lua's not too hard, but like to make it work in core, that's where it gets kind of confusing. It's a pretty steep learning curve, but I mean it's not like it's C++ or anything, but so I don't know how hard is it? Hard, I guess. But Lua itself isn't hard. It's the networking stuff I've been having issues with. But I figured out how to make this in 1 day, so we can click and place towers anywhere. Obviously, this is not ideal, but we're working on it. Hey, Joseph. Hey, Rick. I'm not going to be recreating PvP. I'm actually going to be recreating Crystal Mech Tower Defense. Not completely, but just something like it. What's the first age? On tutorial level of Age of Empire? Nice. But, so right now, our little goal is to make an enemy follow a path. We want to spawn in an enemy, and it just follows a path. That's our goal. I'm thinking that we don't paint the path with terrain. I'm thinking, in fact, let's just undo that. We have this terrain in the background. I wonder, I don't know. It's probably not going to be grass. Can we foliage, optimize, sculpt? Is this I think this is a material? So it just automatically did this like grass and mountain thing. What if I don't want that? But where did that come from? Oh. Oh, it was a terrain. Okay, so what if I do... Ooh, what's this? Yo. What the hell? I can dig that. That's kind of cool. Terrain, mossy concrete. Ooh, that actually looks good. Desert. That looks good too. Oh my gosh. These look kind of good. Icon, what's up? Thought about making money in Robux, but gave up seeing Lua. Yeah, it's Lua here too. The thing is, like, Lua is not a hard programming language to learn. It really isn't. The hard part is actually like controlling the core stuff. When I say core, I mean like the game core, like that kind of stuff with Lua. That's where it gets kind of complicated. But what's my thought about the future of Dreams? I think Dreams is just going to be stagnant, relatively stagnant until multiplayer comes out. And then once multiplayer comes out, then it's going to be really fun. But I mean, there's only so much you can do with single player. It gets, I don't know. Multiplayer is really, it's just fun playing with other people. It just is. Dreams is not dead. No. I'm going to be streaming Dreams as well. I think I'm going to stream Core regularly though. I really like actually being able to program. Like, but we'll see. And being able to enter tournaments and win money, that's really appealing to me. Why does Dreams and Core's names have to be actual words? Dude, looking up Core is Googling stuff about core is impossible. You actually can't. It's really frustrating. Grid glow. Oh, that is just disgusting. I like this. I unironically like this a lot. It looks really good. That just a line. Okay, whatever. Okay, I'm thinking that we make the path out of objects. Okay, and the reason is so that we can sense those objects and prevent towers from being placed on them. So I'm just gonna pick an arbitrary start point and an arbitrary end point. Let's make a folder. And this is gonna be called path. And under the path folder, we're going to place objects. There are a lot. I know you can't make objects in this compared to Dreams, where you can, but they give you a lot of primitives. And with these primitives, you can put materials on them and turn them into whatever you want, which I think is really, really cool. We're looking for something to make a path with. Maybe a plane. I want, yeah, something like this gem, something that it's flat and then, or maybe like this. But I want it more organic. Oh, didn't they have like, yeah, something like this. The grid snap's kind of annoying, but it's customizable, so. Okay, this is interesting. I can get behind that. Something like that. It's raised. I'm gonna put a different texture on it, and I can sense this object with a trigger on the tower and make sure the towers aren't touching it, basically. Okay, and this is like the only one that's like an actual path. Is it gonna be kind of weird if I just keep reusing this one? We'll find out. I don't know, so like, it looks kind of weird right now, but if we can put a material on it, maybe dirt or something, or rock. I think rock would be better for this. Cliff. Yeah, look at that. And a really, really cool thing with core is the smart material. So look at this. Watch what happens when I uncheck this. See how it like doesn't blend together? When I check use smart material, which of course my face cam's over, it takes the two objects that are touching and it makes it the same pattern. It's really, really, really cool. Okay. Yeah, this isn't bad. This isn't bad, I think. Okay, hold on, but let's get another object. Maybe like this small one. I don't want to spend too much time on this path, since I can always change it later, but, you know. Should we do something like this, or should we make it more, like, rigid? I kind of like the organicness of it. That's a word. And then let's get back to that material. I think I did cliff 2. Oh, did I type rock? Yeah, I must have typed rock. We're almost done. No more Godot. I mean, I'm not quitting it, but it's definitely on hold. I have decided with that project, I'm not gonna add a currency to it. It's just not working. I will keep ads in it, but the currency is just like the in-app purchases it's too hard to get working. Too hard and annoying. Kind of just like making it up. Don't really have a plan with the actual path shape. What about this one? Let's use this one again. Cool. All right, this is good enough. It's really not super important. Okay, so and also notice how none of this is under my path. Let's make this in the path folder. All right, so it's all in the path folder. Maybe it should have been a group. I'm not sure. Although this path, there's not going to be any code in it or anything. Yeah, hitting 3K subs. Wait, did you hit 3K or you're talking about me, right? Yeah, I recently hit 3K. Thanks. Googling core isn't nice. Yeah, dude, it's so bad. It's so bad because like there's .NET Core and what's the tower defense game going to be like? That's a good question. So basically you will be able, so here's the path, for example. Oh, I like the scale of this. And you're going to have your character. Do you guys know the button to do your mount? I don't even know. Okay, whatever. You're going to walk around with your character and you're going to be able to place little towers. Your character will have 0 interaction with the actual game. I might change that, but we'll see. As of now, you're gonna walk around. You can place towers. You'll be able to upgrade them, destroy them. There's not gonna just be one tower. There'll be some sort of tower menu, and the enemies will walk down and through this path, basically. I managed to get the tower placing logic, programming, code working. And I use the word working loosely, but so watch what happens when I make it multiplayer. Hopefully this doesn't like lag the stream out or anything. Hey, Smelly Boot, what's up? So we have one player. I'm gonna this player can be the camera for now. And here's player 2. And the towers are actually placing, it's not client side, it's on the server. So they're interactable by everyone. I wasn't planning on making this a multiplayer game, but it could be. Not sure how that would work exactly, but cooperative, obviously. But it's cool. It's actually working. Do you not have a computer, Smelly? Here, I'm gonna call you Boot, not Smelly. You're talking about me? All right. You're on 500? Nice. Nowhere near 3K. Yeah, it takes time.
Oh, hello.
Hey, babe, what's up?
What is up, my love? Wow.
We made a path.
Rocks,
I know. We made a path.
It looks like a mountain range. It doesn't look like a path.
Well, I mean, oops.
So what are we doing today?
This is the mountain range. It's a mossy mountain. This is just a little path. I'm trying to make a tower defense game. And right
Why?
now, why? Because I feel like I have the ability to, and
Make
I
something
think
different.
it would actually be fun.
This is like your 30th tower defense game.
I'm good at them. I like them, and I can make it a fun game, like an
But-
actual game, not just
But,
like a
tower
Gary's mod.
defenses aren't that fun. Why don't you make something actually fun?
Hey, freakers. They are fun. This
How about,
and this will be
like-
fun with multiple people running around
No,
and
no, no.
placing
So
towers.
let's brainstorm something. So tower defense, get rid of it. We don't want.
No,
her.
this is how I'm going to learn Lua.
Um,
This is a really good way to learn. Because there's a lot of different things that go into this, and they're not overly complicated, but altogether there's a lot.
It's okay.
There is a
Akon.
memory limit. So the
Ryan-
thermo is right here. So you have your objects, 30,000.
Right over me.
I'm fucking streaming. You're
I
actually
started.
you're talking over me.
first.
You have 30,000 objects. You have 4,000 networked objects. So those are objects on the server that everyone can see. That's a bad way to put it because these objects everyone can see as well. The 4,000 networked objects, that's basically they can change and everyone sees them. These 30,000 objects, everyone can see them, but they do not change ever. So it's like scenery. And then we have the terrain memory. That's it. So, all right, what were you saying? Are
I
you
was
saying
gonna
I should quit
say-
my project and
No,
you're being mean?
Akon said
Icon.
I'm currently learning
JavaScript,
Java.
nice.
Oh my god, you're doing it again. And I'm gonna admit my 2 brain cells are struggling, and I was gonna reassure him and say, Acer only has 1 brain cell. And on a
You have
good day,
double the amount of brain cells
So
I have.
you're-
Thanks, Frank.
You're doing better than he is. If he can do this, you can do anything, pretty much, is what I'm saying.
That's fair. That's fair. Okay, we have a path. And it's they're objects, which is interesting. But I'm not gonna make like a
You're welcome.
I'm not gonna make like a line follower or anything. I'm just gonna add like nodes that they follow, somehow. So let's try to do that.
Can we play more games? I had fun playing.
Not today.
games.
Not today. I want to focus on this. Maybe in a couple hours or something. But right now I wanna work on
That's
this.
unfortunate. You know, I've been doing work all day. I have. a
That's not
test on
true.
Monday.
You woke up and played The Sims.
What? For like 20 minutes before you.
No, it was a
got
couple
up.
hours.
What?
How do you learn the blueprint code in Godot? Dude, I have no idea how that works. I've never even tried it.
I literally woke up, did a workout, cooked some chicken for the
Nice.
week, took a shower, and then have been going through my notes for my test on Monday all day.
That's good.
Yeah.
All right, we've got the visuals, and then let's make another folder for the nodes. And this is what the it's one, I think.
Goodbye.
Bye. This is what the enemies will actually follow. So let's see. I'm gonna get a sphere, I guess, for our node. I mean, I guess we don't even need to put them in objects, but it just helps visualize. And so the idea is that and I did a similar thing in Dreams. They start at this node, this object. And then they go to the next one, then they go to the next one, and they just follow a path, basically. Now, how are we going to do that in Core? I'm not sure. Should this be a template so we can change all of them at the same time? I think it should be. Someone made an OS with JavaScript? Wow. Well, JavaScript, not Java. Java and Python are your jams? Nice. Thankfully, you don't have to write in JavaScript any longer. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. We want to... Oh, and let's make a... This is called a spawn manager. It should be called tower spawn manager. Let's make a new script called enemy spawn manager. And I just like putting the word manager at the end of everything. I don't know. Roblox uses Lua. Yep. All right, we have an enemy spawn manager script, and with this, I just want to spawn one enemy right now. That's all I want to do. Eventually, it'll handle the waves and stuff. Or actually, maybe we'll have a wave manager. I don't know. Or just a game manager. I don't know. Enemy spawn manager. Let's go to here. Local new tab. Yeah, world.spawn asset. Okay, so let's just grab this and put it in here. Local new enemy world.spawn asset. We need the prop and then we need the position. So in this spawn manager, we're gonna have, this is gonna be called root node because it's the first one. Maybe just call it start node because root node is kind of confusing. This is the core alpha, I think. Core's in alpha. That's a good question. This is core. I don't actually know if it's in alpha. I know it released on Epic Games recently. I don't know. The script kind of looks like Roblox. Yeah, I mean, it's Lua, so. Hey, Cheeky, what's up? Okay, enemy spawn manager. This is our enemy for now. Let's just get rid of it and... Well, actually, can meshes, like, move? If you move them, does the walking animation play? I'm curious about that. For now, let's just make an enemy template kind of thing. So we want... I'm going to make that a pill. Capsule, excuse me. So this is going to be the enemy template. And what goes into this? Can we create another script? And this is going to be called enemy movement. We can get, so local enemy, that looked weird. Equals script parent. Script is itself. Instead of saying this, you write script, apparently. Dot parent. I think that's correct. And then I know there's a function. There is a move to function. I want to look up like a move. I just want it to move straight right now. Built-in Lua functions. Is there move? Oh, I had to scroll up. Okay. Can move. Move to. Move continuous. That's kind of what I want. Is local. I kind of don't care at this point. Okay, I want move continuous. So we're going to... Hello? Okay, so what we're going to do is just... So how this works, by the way, it just runs one time, right? So we don't need any loops. I think I just want enemy... move continuous, and then we need a vector 3. So let's just really quickly do this. Probably XYZ, maybe let's just do 1 0 0, I guess. I don't, is that even gonna work? How do we create a vector? God damn it. Let's try to figure that out. This is not helping. Oh, here. Vector3.new, that's how. Okay, So direction. Move continuous. So let's go back to move continuous. So it takes a vector 3. Just takes a vector 3. Oh, this is velocity, though. Wait. So how does it know how fast to go? I don't think... This isn't a direction. This is a velocity. I don't think this is going to work. That's worth a try, though. And then this is the spawner. Let's just comment this out really quick. I just want to see if this capsule moves. Oh. I don't know if it moved. That's okay. Physics, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. I don't know anything. I came to watch you create one, and it's much harder than other games that rhyme with Crinemaft. Lua and Core, it's interesting. Oh, failed to read modified script enemy movement. Function called with incorrect number of parameters. Okay. Hopefully you didn't come here for dreams. I'm playing Core today. Core is more like Roblox Studio the way I see it. From what I understand, it's almost the same. Except it's more towards not children. You wanted to be a game designer when I grew up, but now I think a doctor will work. That's funny. Okay, so what's going on here? Function called with incorrect number of parameters. Fair enough. Oh. I created a vector incorrectly. Number XYZ. What does that even mean? Oh, I need to put it in brackets, which means it's like a table or something. No, that still doesn't work. Oh, is it this? It needs to be capital N. Do I literally have to write number? No. Okay, it should not be this hard to like... Okay, here's an example. Here we go. Maybe, you know what? It might have been the lowercase n. That might have been the reason it messed up. Our core games only playable on PC. Yep, only PC. But everything's free. Free to create, free to play. Okay, attempted to modify a field on a non-network. Okay, so that is an error I understand. Basically, the capsule currently is static, which means once it's created, it cannot be changed in any way. We're going to create, and by the way, the capsule is the enemy. We're going to make it networked. So that, I'm not sure if the script should be networked. The script should probably be networked. So that means, the server changes it and everyone sees the change. All the people playing. Oh, it worked! It worked! We have movement. It's working. Let's go. All right. Now what? So we know it can move. Let's go back to the script and just make it like, I think this is the Z, so let's make the Z 0. Yep, there you go. So now it's moving across the ground. Beautiful. Now let's do a test. I wanted to see if the animated mesh walked when it moved. I have no idea if it will. Let's find out. It doesn't. Okay, that's okay. Can we play the walking animation? Is there a walking animation? I can't imagine there's not. Oh, man. Does anyone know if you can make an animated mesh such as this skeleton walk? There... See, the core animated mesh walk. I don't even... Oh. What is this? This is a 12-second video. Oh, it works. Okay, so you can. Okay, yes, I did something like this. Oh, here we go, here we go. The walking stances. Wait, so there is a walking stance. What are they? Here it is, here it is. Okay, so... What about moving? I don't... Does the script... Does the script need to be specifically targeting this? You know what? That might be what needs to happen. Let's try that. So now we have this thing that's outside of the capsule, and this script is still targeting the parent, which is now this thing. Ah, it still doesn't move. What if it needs to be touching the ground or something? I highly doubt that's... No, what the hell? Okay. I am new to this, but I feel like... Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, we got it. So let's undo what we just did because we do not need to do that. So I'm an idiot. When I pressed this, I expected there to be a bigger list, but I just had to start typing. Unarmed walk forward. Bam! All right. Ooh, that is menacing. He is very... I don't know, just in charge. Cool. And I think another thing we can do is change the speed of it. So can we get a run? This is not a zombies walk at all. Oh, God. Oh, here we go, zombie. Here we go. Okay, sure. I like it. Nice. Okay, this capsule will be, by the way, I guess, the hitbox or something? Not sure yet, but I do... You have to centrifugate the radius of the flux to hypothesize the theorem. It's a lot of words. Yeah, you don't know too much about scripts. No worries. That's why I'm learning. Do we even need this capsule thing? Honestly, I think we should have it, but maybe we don't need it. Maybe we just have a bunch of enemy templates. Wait. Why don't I just... Okay, so the way this script works, I can add custom properties to it. So I can put this script in every enemy and then just change those properties per enemy. Oh, this is so easy. Okay, we don't want this capsule. let's just remove these two things from the group. Delete this. And we want to create a group. And this is going to be skeleton enemy. Put these two things in that group. So now we have the script and the humanoid rig moving this group. Does it still work? No, because it's not networked. Let's make it networked, of course. And there you go. So it would make sense now to make a template, make this a template. So let's click this, right click it rather, I think. Create new template. Skeleton enemy, new template. We have our tower, we have our skeleton enemy. Okay, now our skeleton enemy. I kind of want the properties here, even though it makes more sense to put the properties. If I put the properties here, wait, why can't I can add custom properties like this. Can you not add custom properties to a template? What's going on here? This is weird. De-instance this object. Okay, so now it's... okay. Okay, now it's no longer a template. Why is it, like, grayed out, though? Let's just undo for a little bit. Why is it... What happened here? Alright, let's just delete that. Okay, my template seems to be stupid. I don't know... Huh. I want to edit my template. You're too used to dreams? Yeah. That's fair. I thought what is de-instance? I thought that means that it's no longer a template, so I can add the custom properties and then I can make it a template again. I think. Let's just reset. Oh, okay, it's really easy to fix that. Bam. All right, there we go. Not sure how that happened, but whatever. Okay. Okay, so let's add a custom property such as health. So we have, whoa, what is that?
I made some healthy chicken salad.
Thanks.
It's good?
Yeah.
I only made wood serving, so I just wanted you to try it.
Now make it do the Fortnite dance. I'm sure there are dances. Actually, I mean, you say you're joking, but... Is that good? How's that? I'm sure that's exactly what you wanted. Flame Gaming? Flame Gaming? Is he moving his project into another engine? No, I'm not. I think I'm gonna work in Core and Dreams at the same time on two different things. We'll see though. I really like the potential. One, I really like multiplayer. I really like actually coding, and I really like the potential of making money from this. I think that's really awesome. But we're not giving up on dreams. I just posted a video on dreams, actually. Okay, so let's add a custom property, and let's make it a float, and this is called health. So I'm thinking, does this work? Because we added the custom property to the group. But if I put it in this, oh, it's property health. Maybe current health is what I would rather it be called. So that shouldn't even be a property. The property is max health. Current health gets set by the code. So let's call it max health. Oops. Okay, my bad. And if we go back into this and add it here, can we try displaying it? Core content. Is there like a health bar? Okay. Oh, but that's on screen. What if I did a nameplate? Oh, Jesus. Wait, is this even gonna work? Oh. Oh. Oh, it does it for everyone. I put it in the skeleton. Oh, it comes with a health bar, too. That's cool. Can I grab the health bar from that logic? Yeah, so it has a... That's interesting. It's a client context. Huh. I mean, this is just for players. I actually want to do it for... Jesus Christ. Just for whatever I put it on. This code seems... Let's look up in the community health bar. I just want to I want a script that I can put on this enemy and display a health bar. How about this? That's lame. Maybe I should just make my own. Okay, new goal. I just want to display a number. How about that? I just want to display a number. So let's create a... Well, I don't even know. What do we want? We want to display a number. Is that UI? I want an in-scene UI. It's not, it's a text. Oh god. Game components, ability display. UI, here we go. Health bar. Now, is this going to be on screen? I guess we'll find out. Yeah, it is. How do we make this in the actual game? I don't know. Thanks, Malardy. Milo Arty, is that, how do you pronounce your name? I just call you Malarty, but I don't know. Just tuned in, how is this compared to Dreams? So that's a good question. The programming is legit. It's like, it's actual game programming, which is pretty awesome. All that for a health bar, I know. Back to my text displayers. Yeah, look, there's definitely a way. I just am not familiar with it yet. Where UI type? No, that's not what I want. But anyway, yeah. So it's real programming and it has real multiplayer, and for me that's a plus. But for a lot of people, it's intimidating, as it should be. Honestly, it's hard, but I like it. I think it's cool. I think the ability to make money is really cool as well. But Dreams asset creation and animation is very good. This does not have inbuilt animation. You have to use animations that are pre-made. But yeah, so I think Dreams is better. Oh, and with Dreams you can make your own music. With this, I'm not sure. You cannot import music with this though, which is unfortunate. Can we make this like in the scene? There's a canvas controller. I think we have to do it through code. World text! We found it! Yay! We did it! Ooh. Ooh, we want it to always face the player. Is that possible? We'll worry about that later. It's not that big of a deal. With Unity and Dreams, why this? That's a great question. So with this, the games you create, there's an audience that will play them. With Unity, you have to like advertise and sell your game and stuff, put it on Steam and stuff. With this, the games you make are already there. Think like Roblox. Well, I don't know. There's if you don't know what Roblox is, you probably know that it's like for kids and stuff, and it's not a very good example, but it's almost identical to Roblox. I don't know, the idea of it. Where you make games and then people play them and potentially spend a real world currency in them and you make actual money. But yeah, like, so why this instead of Dreams? Well, one, this is on PC, and two, you can make multiplayer games and make money. But yeah, if you don't know Roblox, or if you just think it's for kids and whatever, look it up and see what it actually is. This is almost identical to Roblox. It's a game engine that you play games on. Yeah, I mean, it's an actual game engine, and it has an inbuilt game library, like, basically. Oh, okay, so you've been on Roblox since 2010. Nice. Is core possible to create with collaborators? Yeah, so from what I've seen, you can just use Git and like share your code. I don't actually know. Sorry. I know you can. I just don't know how. Oh my god, if Dreams comes to PC, but it won't. It won't. There's no way. Based on what the devs have said, there's no way it will come to Steam. Now, will Dreams let you publish your games to the PlayStation Store. There's a very good chance. Yes, there's a very good chance of that. I don't think Core is a competitor to Dreams at all. Just based on the fact that one's on PC and one's on PlayStation. Like, you can put a Patreon. You can make a Patreon to put in your create, like a sign so people can donate to you. That's cool. I mean, you can do that with Dreams too. Can you? Now the question is, can you add a link and make it so when you click that link, it takes you to your Patreon page? Hey, Nautical, what's up? Health display. And we're going to make this. So this is the enemy movement script. This is our health display. Let's add another script. Let's create another script somehow. And name it Health Manager. And okay. And this Health Manager will take the health display as a property. And I'm literally hold on. So we have our max health as a property. Okay. I'm pretty sure we can just access this from this by doing that. But I'm not sure, because we put the property in the folder or in the group, and then we have the script under it. I don't know. I don't know if I can access the property like that. I mean, we'll find out very shortly. So now, just to test this, we're going to set the health display. Sorry, we're going to set the max health to 500, and we are killing _you. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. You don't think Core has enough to draw people in, honestly? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. But they're throwing a lot of money at it. It's very interesting. I'm finna ditching Dreams for Core. You're hurt. No, I'm not. I'm gonna continue Dreams on Tuesday, but I'm definitely considering like doing Core on Saturdays, actually. But I think Core is like a more mature Roblox. It's a pretty cool game. You played and did try the creation tool. It's pretty accessible, but I do need to watch out for assets with backdoor, which means that someone can change the asset and make your creation removed. Whoa, that's interesting. Dissension in the ranks. Okay, so I want to take the health display, and I'm pretty sure that, well, let's see. Yeah, the text. The property is text. So I think it's capital T, and I'm pretty sure I can just set it. Let's just try that as an initial test. No, okay. Right. Attempt to set. This on World Tech. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that means this doesn't exist. So I was not able to get this. I think it's script.parent to be able to get this property. Script.parent. Oh, wait, that's wrong. We got. Oh, no, that's right. That's right. So the max health is just script, because right here, see, we have. Oh, no, this is. God damn it. Okay, let's think about this. We have the health display as a property of our health manager. So we're getting it like this. The max health needs to be this. But wait. But it said... Why is it yelling at us? Attempt to index nil value text on world text. Am I just doing this wrong? I think I'm doing this wrong. It's a nil value. Yeah. I think I'm setting this property wrong. That's annoying. How do I set this property correctly? Are you saying Epic opening up their create mode to Unreal? Are you saying Fortnite's the next big thing? Maybe I should try that out too. Although that's C++, which is scary. If that was your motivation. I mean, money's part of it, but also like I don't know. I mean, well, hold on. Is it I can't imagine it's going to be the exact same thing as Core. Why would they cannibalize like their own thing? Are you sure it's going to... What do you mean they're opening up Unreal? Are you literally just going to be able to make games in Unreal Engine and put them on Fortnite? They gave away all their Paragon assets. That's awesome. I miss Paragon too. That was a really cool game. Roblox report system is garbage. That's no fun. You can't just share the assets unless you're a dev. You can't just share what assets? Oh, Paragon? You'll literally be able to use Unreal. I kind of just don't understand. Why don't they have their own game store? They have the Epic Game Store where you could post games there. What's the so are they turning Fortnite into... I don't understand. Creative mode will house completely custom games. So it's still like Fortnite, right? Or it's like... I don't know. Like, I don't know what... That doesn't really make sense to me. So they're making it so you can edit Fortnite games in Unreal, or are they making it so you can publish Unreal games to Fortnite? Because one makes sense, the former makes sense, the latter makes literally no sense, in my opinion. But being able, so if you're able to make Fortnite games in Unreal, that would be really cool. Like you can code in Fortnite. That makes sense. That would be really cool too. Okay, what's going on here? Why is this messing up? Prop health display dot text equals test. This. We're setting the property incorrectly. Crap, I've already done this, but clearly I'm doing it wrong. Oh, I remember it's lowercase t. It's lowercase t. I remember having this issue. There we go. Look at that test. Look at that. It worked. Man, like, oh, that's so annoying. Right here, it says text with a capital T. But here, it has to be lowercase t. All right, we figured it out. Something like Core with Fortnite characters playing custom games. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, maybe I'll check that out too. That sounds awesome. I mean, it doesn't sound like you said they're releasing it eventually. Do you know what language? That sounds really cool though, because there's a massive player base with Fortnite. Okay, so prop health display. Okay, so this is working. Now let's try doing this. So we want to take the max health. I forget how toString works. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's a function built in Lua functions. I guess the question is, do I do this? Is that what I do? No. Oh, no. I don't think so. Yeah, it should be 500. It got set to 100. I think. Can we make it move a little bit slower? max health. It's not getting... Oh, yeah, it's not getting this. Okay, so it's not getting the prop max health. Yes. So remember, it's script.parent because the prop max health, that property is in the parent. It's in the folder. So script.parent. Let's try this. Okay. It still didn't work. Huh. It's not just parent, no. Okay, we're just gonna print this to the console. It's still not gonna work. Oh, it did work. Okay, that worked. So the issue was this? Ah. Okay, so I'm just stupid and I don't know how to use toString, apparently. What if I did dot toString? No, I don't think that's gonna work either. How do we do toString? It's so annoying. Pretty sure you can use a few languages. Yeah, or blueprints. Yeah, right. It's trying everything. Yeah, they're trying everything to get more audiences into platforms. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, how do we turn a number into a string? I thought it was this. But maybe it's this. There's a good chance it's this. It worked! Okay. So it's toString blank. So toString prop max health. And 500. All right, we got it. We're displaying our number above the guy's head. That took a while. Okay, now this is the health manager. We want local current health. And on the very first line, we're going to do current health equals... let's just do... Oh my gosh. Max health. So current health equals max health. And we want to display this a little bit differently. So we have our current health toString, and I believe that's how you concatenate strings. Yes. And then we have our max health toString. Can we round? Yes. Yes, we can. Okay. And it's a class function. I think we can just do this. The number of decimals is 0. Nope, that didn't work. Shit. How do we use this? Oh, core.math. I see. There's definitely a better way to do this. So we're going to make a current health string and a max health string. The current health string is just going to be this. So 2-string core.math round, that number. And then same thing for this. Didn't mean to do that. Oh my god. What is happening? Okay. Max health. So now current health dot max health should just be the two numbers in a row. Okay, good. Now to end it off, we do space dash space dot. Okay. There you go. We have our health bar. Wonderful. Okay, let's move on. Health display, health manager. Let's... Do we put these like... I mean, these should be like together somehow. Just to like organize it. But how? Do we put the script under the name or the name under the script? Or put them both in a folder? So this script is getting the display, and it's also getting the max health. Okay. I mean, I don't think it makes much sense to put the display under the script. I think it, you know what, we're gonna make a folder and it's gonna be called health. And everything health related is going to go in this folder. But we've now just broken our link to this. So now we need parent, which is getting disgusting, but it is what it is. And then this, we still have the link to the health display. All right, so this should still work. Okay, we're still working. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty good. So we have our current health. In our health manager. Maybe we should just make it a property of the skeleton just so it's easy to get. Yeah, let's do that. So let's add, well, I just don't know if we want to do that or not. Max health makes sense because it's something I want to change. Current health, that doesn't make much sense. But then how do we get the current health? I guess we just link the health manager to wherever we need it. But what if we need it from outside the enemy? Would we ever need the health of something from if... Would we ever need the health of something? I don't think so. All right, this is fine for now. We'll refactor it if we need to. So we have health, and then we have movement, and then we have the actual model. Okay, okay. Now what? Now what? I want, so now we're getting into it. I want to be able to follow this path. And my idea is that I'm going to place a bunch of sculpts, I think on the server, actually. Maybe. And just so no one can see them. And then it'll follow them one by one. That's the idea. We'll see, though. I am very excited for DreamsCon. Maybe it'll be in person. I'm gonna fill up my water bottle. I'll be right back. I'm thirsty. Yeah, for DreamsCon, I'm wanting to actually finish my Closter Factory game. I think that would be really cool. All right. So, again, the idea is it goes from node to node. Is there a better way to do this first? I don't know. Let's try it. I think this makes the most sense, and it should be relatively simple to implement. So we have this node, and it's the start node. I want this on the server. If it's only on the server, no one sees it. But the networked enemies should still be able to interact with it. I hope. Okay. So the enemy, yeah, we have enemy movement. Okay. Let's add some more variables. We want next position. We want next position. We have enemy move continuous direction. No, not anymore. Let's comment that out just because it's kind of funny. We want move to. We want move to, and we have a position and a duration. I don't like that. I wish we could just make it a set speed, but we'll work with it, I guess. Move to. So we have enemy, which is the enemy. I mean, so let's make a function. Let's make a function that is that's called every time the next position changes, basically. Function move to next position. And in this function, I don't think we want to pass it anything. We don't really need to. Oh, I guess we don't need a next position. I guess we don't even need that at all. We'll just pass it into this. And this will be called with an event. And that event will be triggered from like touching the node. And this is literally just going to be enemy move to next position. Now, how do we give it this? We need to connect it to an event or something. This is where it's going to take a little bit to figure out. Hey, Tolier. Is the coding easy in core? I would argue it's not. I don't know. So Lua's not that difficult. It really isn't. The difficult part is understanding all the networking aspects in this. And how to transfer data between objects. That's in my opinion the difficult part. So, no, I mean this is a good example of it. I want to make this node, every time it touches an enemy, I want it to broadcast or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So we have start node. Let's get a trigger. And this is a trigger zone. This is a zone. So we have our trigger. Okay. We want to make this, we don't want it to be a cube. We want the shape to be a capsule, I believe. And let's scale it up. Okay. That's fine. Now, we want this. How do we do this? This start node needs a this, maybe the trigger gets the property. No, let's make a new script. Send next position data. That is what this script is trying to do. And we're going to put the trigger under it. This script, I want, let's add a custom property. And I want, ooh, do I put a position? No, I want a object reference. And this is going to be, can I put, so like, can I put this in, oops, I didn't mean to do that. So we have this, can I put this in here? Uh-oh. What about that? Oh, now I'm really confused. It's an empty. Why can't I put this into here? Uh-oh. Okay, so I guess that's not what I want to do. Let's see. Let's just delete that, I guess. Let's try that again. Is it an asset? Oh, I guess it's an asset reference. My bad. Next position node. Yeah, it's an asset reference. So if I take this node and copy and paste it, can I drag, oops. Can I drag this node into here? Oh my god, I can't. What the hell's going on? No, it's not an asset reference. That's not what I want. I mean, I guess we're just going to do a vector 3. What is this? Customs. I can't change it, can I? Man, so it's like a hard-coded. Is that okay? I mean, I think instead I just make it so this is the next position. Let's just do a vector 3 next position, and I literally just click on the node, get its position, and type it in here, right? Like, wow, that is there. And then that's the next position. Yeah, I guess we do that. I don't really like that though, because if I move the node, it gets all messed up. There has to be a way to like link them together. You know what? I guess it is literally just dragging the next node into here. Okay, that's fine. So let's try to figure this out. We have a trigger, right? Let me just look up. Oops. Get overlapping objects is overlapping object. Here we go. Begin overlap event. Begin overlapped event. Fired when an object enters the trigger volume. Okay, let's see. The script assumes to be a child of the trigger. My bad. The script should be a child of the trigger. And that makes sense. That makes perfect sense. Okay, so, let's see. Let's just see the script. So trigger begin overlap event. Okay. And then what's their function? Let's just grab it. On begin, yep, we have the trigger, and then player, no, this is object. This is overlapped object. if overlapped object is a what? Is a what? Is an enemy, right? But how do we know? Is there like a team or something that we can? How do we like? I want to give this like a label. Or something. If overlapped object is a blank. I mean, let's just look up the function is a. Somewhere. It's somewhere. It should be under like object, right? Core object is ancestor. Okay, hold on. Let me just. There it is. Is a static mesh, is a core mesh, is a core object. Cube.type, player.type. Can I get like the team? What is that? Is properties team. Assign the mesh to a team. 0 to 4. 0 is neutral. I'm down with that. So how do I do that? This is oh here it is. Oh, this is what's going to be receiving the trigger. This is what's going to be hitting the trigger anyway. Okay, here. So team. Team is 4. Okay, so if it's team 4, there we go. So if overlapped object dot team equals 4, then what? Overlapped object. So now we just sense this. We have this, right? We have the humanoid thing. We want to get the parent, which is going to be this. Okay. And then we want to get this script somehow. And then we want to call move to next position. Is there an easier way to do that? I mean, that's not a... That feels like a bad way.
Oh, I just almost fell over.
Any progress? Yeah, we... So... Oh, what is this? Thanks.
Cheez-Its.
You made Cheez-Its.
Try one.
Okay.
Try one. They're kind of hot. Be careful. They're fresh out of the oven. They're fat-free.
They're like cheese crackers.
Yeah.
Not bad. So any progress? Yeah. We made a health bar. Thanks. We made a health bar. See? And now we're trying to get the enemy to move to along the path, basically. And we're working on that. So overlapped object. Do we want to like broadcast an event? That feels wrong. We have the object. We have the object. Why can't we just like... I wonder... I'm curious if we can do this. So we just added... Let's just name this movement, by the way. we have a custom property called movement. I wonder if we can like access that. So we have overlapped object dot movement, or is there like a custom get custom property? We set the custom property, or no, we want to get custom property. Oh, I guess that's a function. Movement. Oh shit, yeah, look at that. Get custom property. Get custom property string property name. That's exactly what we wanted. So we have a custom property, which is the movement script, okay? And now when the enemy overlaps this node, I'm going to get the movement script. Movement script dot. So this is how you call. So we need to call the function. We need to call this function move to next position. To call a function from a different script, you do dot context dot and then the function name, which is move to next position. I wonder. I was thinking, like, what if we just put this in here? So the node actually tells the enemy to move there. But then I'm thinking, like, we probably want to keep the movement related stuff in the enemy. This just calls the function. So we're going to just keep doing that. So movement script dot context dot move to next position. What is the position? What is the position? I say it's time to make another node. And we're going to put it over here. Wait, no. Let's put it right here. And let's name this second node 2. And okay, so here we go. We have send next position data. We have node 2. I'm going to add node 2 as a custom property of send next position data. And we're going to use this. So colon get world position. So we take the next node and we're getting the world position and we're telling the enemy that bumps into it to move to that next node. Will this work? There is a 0% chance this will work. Yeah, see. Okay. Nothing ever works on the first try. Unless it does. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm calling trigger, but there is no trigger. It's parent. Because oh wait. This was copy and pasted code. The hell? Oh, here. There it is. Okay, let's try now. Okay, there's one more issue. Data 1. So the first line is just wrong. Why? Oh, do these need to be like networked or something? I mean, I think they should be on the server. Let's just enable. No, that didn't do anything. Let's not enable networking unless we, because they're not changing. This is weird. We have the start node, we have the trigger, we have send next position data, and we put node 2 into that. But this line just doesn't work. Okay, let's see if something else works. Let's just not even do that at all, and let's just get a vector. Just to see if something works. And then what is this vector? It should be -825, 25, 150. Oh, I can copy it. All right. Wait, what? Okay, that's not... Okay, I guess you can't copy it from here and paste it into code. -825, 25, 50. Or wasn't it 150? Yeah, it was 150. Listen up, liberals, truckers, hell yeah. All right. Can't you be a liberal trucker? Okay, nothing crashed. Let's see if it works. So we're going to put this enemy on this. Although I don't think this is going to work because it's not going to... The event is on enter, but if we start it in it, it will never trigger. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm wrong. It did trigger. Expected core object received string. So this line, it expected a core object, it received a string. Maybe it needs to be this. Oh, my bad. Okay. So now 8 is wrong. Context. Did I do it wrong? I don't think I did it wrong. We have follow script. Movement script dot context dot move to next position. Move to next position. It thinks context is a field. That's weird. Overlapped object, get custom property movement. Custom property is movement. and that should have been this script. I mean, instead okay, let's try something else. Let's instead of making this a custom property, let's just find it based on the hierarchy. So find ancestor, find child, find descendant. So ancestor, right? What the hell? What? It just linked me to something. What? Where? Oh, here it is. Okay. Other things in the tree. I think it's this. I think this is what we need. Find ancestor by name. That does simplify things, doesn't it? So no, it's no longer get custom property, it's find ancestor by name. Okay. So line 8. Okay, so movement script, it never found it. Huh. That's annoying. Because it says it's nil. It says attempt to index a nil value local movement script. So the variable movement script is not happening. I mean, what is this called? It's called movement. Why isn't this working? Find ancestor by name. By name, not ID, by name. I mean, I guess we can try find. So we can try find child by name. I don't think that will work either. And then what if we did overlapped object dot parent find child by name? I think that worked. Oh, that actually worked. Wow. Okay, so it properly called this. That actually worked. Function. Okay. Incorrect number of parameters. How complex is this code? Is the coding compared to Godot? Oh, compared to Godot, I'd say it's less yeah, I guess less complex technically. But I mean, they're both like coding. It is coding. Move to needs a duration. That's my bad. It worked. Wait, guys, it actually worked. Holy shit. It worked. Okay, now. Wait, it worked. Captain Morgan, what's up? Thank you so much for the raid, dude. How's it going? How was your stream? What were you doing? Hey, Boom. Okay, so we successfully told this enemy to move to a position, but it's not to this node, and we need to make it to this node. So let's do this again. Get custom property node 2. This has to work. Like, why? This is really annoying. Why can't we add this node as a custom property? I don't understand. No, that's the same thing. This doesn't make any sense to me. Hey, Ambergs. It's going pretty well. It's going pretty well. We're trying to make the enemies follow a path, and we're nearly there. Actually, we basically are done. We basically have it. It's just, instead of hard coding the positions like of each path point, I want to make it these nodes. But I'm having trouble linking the nodes together. So that's where I'm at. How are you doing? And Morgan, again, how is your stream, dude? I don't know why. It's the first line, like attempt to index a nil. So it's saying that this is nil. What does that mean? Hey, Clixius. Long time no see. What's up, dude? Bergie Bergie. Wait, is this an actual core Stack Overflow? Oh, this is Minecraft. I mean, look, I think the issue is that this node thing doesn't spawn in soon enough. I mean, I'm curious, what if I put it above the start node? So maybe this will load first? No. This is really annoying. Does it have to be networked? Like, I don't want to network these, but I don't think so. No, that has nothing to do with it. This is really, like, why can't I access this thing? I just want this thing's position. What is going on? I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Like, what if I just... What if I just took an object... What if I just took this soccer ball and just placed it in the world? And then... went here. Ball soccer. Get rid of that. Like, if this works, I'm gonna be kind of pissed. No, that didn't work either. What is going on? It has to be something to do with networking, right? Let me know when it's on the iOS store. It's gonna be on PC for free. We're working in something called Core. Morgan, hello, you made it. How was your stream? Oh, no, it's all good. It's all good. How was your stream? What were you doing? You made a character, okay. It has to be something to do with this script is on the server. This is not on the server. What if we made... What if we put this on the server? What if we put this... What if we put this soccer ball on the server? Let's try that. No. Hopefully one day you're head of a video game company. That would be amazing. That would be so cool. Thanks, Clicks. Thanks, Clicks. I appreciate it. You were doing good for a first time? That's good. Oh yeah, you're making a character. Oh, that's awesome. How does it stack up to my character, to the character I made? It's probably way better. Core it's not bad. I mean, I'm still learning, so like if I'm confused, don't that doesn't mean Core is bad, it just means I'm bad. But CEO of Tencent. Here, let me show you my character. You cannot import assets into it. You cannot, but it has a very robust kind of like asset combining system. It's interesting. You're able to like combine assets and make them share a texture. It's pretty cool. Okay, now the question is, where did I put this? I think it's in my OneDrive. Where is my OneDrive? Let's just do that. All right, here is my character. Here is my RPG character. Where's pose mode? How do I get to pose mode? Pose mode. Look at him. He is beautiful. How do I move it? Oh, wait. Wait. This is not what I wanted. Oh, no. There we go. Wait, what the hell? How do I move my character? Does anyone know? What is happening? I can't move my character. Okay, well, anyway, here he is. This is the RPG character. It's not completely the same, but it's pretty dang close. I'm not going to save that because, you know. It's great. Thank you. Yeah, you'll send it to me? All right. And it limiting people. Wait. Allows 3D modelers to make stuff. Yeah, and it allows you to like it allows them to sell the assets, right? I think Alpha, I think this has a lot of potential. Oop, I have an idea. What if the node just got the parent? Or like, what if I just got the next node in the list? That would actually be kind of easy. So instead of this, I would do something like get parent. Well, I need an easy way to get the parent. All right, can I at least do this? Oh, this is. How about let's call it all nodes. Let's call it nodes. And which is this? Which is just this folder. This has to work. So we have nodes. Let's do function get next node. Okay. And in this function, we take the nodes. Guyan Marku Tura 2008. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Hello. How's it going? Mommy and daddy node. You're not wrong. Does it have as much potential as Dreams? Alpha, I'm going to be honest. I think it has more potential than Dreams. Dreams is a walled garden with no way to like, okay, so like Core, you're making games and you can actually make money. With Dreams, you make it for the love of making things. And you know what? That's completely great. But like until they allow you to publish your games on the PSN store, which I think they will, but who knows how long that'll take, Core has more potential, in my opinion. Normal game dev has more potential. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Morgan. It's not about any of that stuff. It's about doing what you enjoy doing and also being able to live off of it, you know? Hydrate. I do not know what that means, but if you're asking me what hydrate means, it means I take a sip of my water. You get one on the house. So we have prop nodes. We want to... okay, so this is where the code gets kind of tricky, right? We want to find the next node. What if we named this node 1, this node 2, and then the next one 3, etc., okay? Now, we have prop nodes. So we need our name, okay? We need our name. What is our name? How do we know our name? Our name is always going to be local. So local name or local number, node number. Maybe that is so not, that's not descriptive at all. My number, this number equals parent, or I guess script dot parent, which is the trigger, dot parent, which is the object, dot name, which is the number. Great. To number. Can we do to int? To integer? Sure. How do we use this? Where the frick is it? Math dot to integer. Beautiful. Okay. So math dot to integer this. Why shouldn't this be a function? Okay, whatever. So okay, here we go. Prop nodes dot find child by name. Ready? This number plus 1. ToString. Is that the ToString function? Didn't I do that somewhere else? ToString, yes, ToString. So we're taking this node, we're adding 1. I guess we can do like local next number equals this number plus 1. That's dumb. Okay. Find, we don't need to do that. Find child by name. So we have this folder and we're finding the child by name, the next node. Get next node. So return that. Now we need the position. So we're telling the enemy's movement script to go to the position of the next node. Get world position. Will this work? So if we put, will this work? No. I don't know why, but there's always a reason. But just in case, if we put this node all the way over there, no, it did not work. Okay, that's okay. It'll work eventually. I like this. This seems promising. Attempt to index a nil value. Prop nodes. No. What? So I'm not even able to get, I mean, it's just parent, but like, I just wanted an easy way. You know what? Whatever. This break, like if I change, this is so bad. Like this is so bad. Parent. Like if I change anything with this hierarchy, it'll break. It'll just completely break. But whatever. All right. So this is this is just me being stupid probably. Expected an object, received a string. Okay, yeah, this is a typo. Number 7, so it's this. Yeah, I do that all the time. It's a colon, not a dot. It worked! It worked! It worked. Now, that's fine. That error makes sense. Because there's no next node. Now, I can place this thing anywhere I want. And it will go to it. So check this out, guys. Check this out. So now I can place a bunch of little nodes. And as long as I name them properly, he'll follow them. Now, I could set this up. To where I didn't have to name them. Should I? I'm not leaving Dreams for Core. I'm not. I will let you know if I am. I am most likely going to do Core on Saturdays and Dreams on the weekdays though. I created a follow path. Yeah. So basically, and I've done this exact thing in Dreams. Can you save the setup? I believe you can. I believe you can save things and publish them so other people can grab them. Can you make a recursive function that takes in generation as input? Oh wait. So takes in generation as an input. 1 equals parent. 2 equals parent parent. Are you saying just so I don't have to, like, why? I guess is the question. So, that works really well. I like this solution. Honestly, I like it. Hey, Duck. How's the new dreams? It's nice. It's very nice being able to program. It's slow because Lua is weird, and weird as in I don't know the syntax exactly. And I just don't. It's new to me, right? But check it out. We just made it. Look at this. Look at this. As long as we name these properly, we just made a we made an enemy that follows this path. Look at that. Obviously, he doesn't rotate. See? That works really well. That works really well. And then it crashes once it reaches the last one, naturally. Okay. Lots of things. So 1. The move to function, you input a duration. So we need to take the distance and then calculate the duration based on the enemy's speed. If that doesn't make sense, don't worry about it. But basically it's reaching these in 5 seconds, no matter what. We want it to reach at a variable time depending on the speed. So let's go to the enemy movement. And nope, that's not what I want. Let's go to the skeleton and let's add speed. Let's add a custom property called speed. I'm gonna make this an int just because it doesn't really need to be a float. I take it back. It should probably be a float because what if I want 3.5? So this is gonna be speed. Okay. So now go to movement. Here we go. So we have the next position, right? The node calls this function on the enemy for us. So we just need to know what the duration should be. We have the speed. Let's now calculate the distance. I don't think we need to make our own function to that. There's probably a built-in one. I need to calculate the distance between 2 positions. Crap. Oh no, is there not a built-in function for this? What does that mean? Current distance? What does that even mean? Oh, that's a camera. There's follow. Huh. Oh, shit. Let's use the follow function instead. Wait a second. Wait, but it's player target. What does that even mean? What does player target mean? Follow. Oh, it's just object. At a certain speed. That's That's exactly what the hell? What am I doing move to? Follow. That's what we want. Number. What does that mean? Oh, it's the distance. So we want 0 distance. Okay. Holy shit. What am I doing? All right. Movement. Enemy. Follow. And it's going to follow an object. Shit. So instead of a position, it's an object. The number is the speed. We already have that. And the distance is 0. I don't know why it's in this weird, like... What's going on? And why is this giving me an error? What is this? Oh! I think we just don't use those at all. Okay. It just meant it was a number. I don't know. Whatever. So this should be next position. Move to next node. Because we're passing in an object, right? Move to next node. Okay, so here we go. Move to next node. Get next node. There's no world position anymore. We just get the node. Man, the follow function. Who would have thought? Who would have thunk it? All right. Get next node. Yeah. So now, frick. Okay. Incorrect number of parameters. Yep. So I did this wrong, of course. Prop speed. We have next node. What did it say specifically? Player target, number speed, number min distance. What? Why is that wrong? Do you guys see what's wrong? Function called with incorrect number of parameters. Or type. The number's clearly right. Next node. Are we sure it's sending... Get next node, return... Yeah, that's returning the object. I mean, okay, let's do some debugging, right? Print next node dot type. Print prop speed dot type. Print 0 dot type. Okay, well, I guess that's self-explanatory. Oh, it's a static mesh. Isn't that an object? Is that not an object? Man. I mean, it just gives the error immediately. Oh. Attempt to index. Oh! Prop speed. Prop speed gave an error. Right? So, why? Prop speed. Get custom property. Oh my god, I set it to 0. Wait, but that shouldn't matter. Did I? Don't tell me. Dude, wait, it's right here. What the hell? Prop speed. How about just print prop speed? What the hell is going on? Nil. What? What is going on? What do you mean nil? How is prop speed? Is it because it's like a template or something? Oh, wait a second. Oh my god! Wait. Prop mix up. Wait, but that's working. It's not this, right? It's not script.parent. Oh my god, it is. Guys, I was trying to access the property as if it was in the script, but the property was of the skeleton. So to get the skeleton's property, it needs to be script.parent. My bad, sorry. All right, so prop speed.type. Okay, I guess you just can't get the type of that. Let's just see if this works. Is that moving? Wait, I think it's actually moving, but just really slow. Okay, let's, oh my god. Helios! With the raid, thank you! So it's moving, just really slow. So let's try a speed of 100 instead of 1. No, yes! Okay, let's multiply it by 10 again. 1,000, a speed of 1,000. That is super arbitrary. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. All right, our path following is actually working. Thanks for the raid, man. I appreciate it. Oh, thanks for the follow, too. How was your stream? Were you streaming, core? Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. I assume you have to go. Yeah, this is awesome. Let's try 500 movement. I mean, again, wow, 500 and 500, let's just do 600. It's super arbitrary right now. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, all right. Unity game dev, okay, that's awesome. How'd you find me? Did you just search the game dev tag, I assume? Or maybe the programming tag? That's awesome. What are you making? Okay, now what? We want to look at the next node. So we have enemy follow, and now let's do enemy. I believe it's rotate to. If I type look at, there's no way. Oh, wow. Never mind. Look at. No kidding. And it's just a vector. Look at. Continuous. This is really nice. Look at all these functions. No pun intended. Boolean is pitch locked. And a speed. Okay, we're doing this one. Come on, that's so annoying. I guess... Wow, all right, let's close some of these tabs. We really... Oh, I just closed my music. Sorry. We really don't need these tags anymore because of the discovery of the script helper, which I didn't know was a thing until now. So look at continuous. We want the pitch locked, and we want a speed. So let's grab this. Can I? Oh, we just right click to copy. All right. Let's do that. Enemy. Look at continuous. The object is the next node. Pitch is locked. We don't want him flying. And the speed, I mean, do we really want to change the rotation speed? It really does not matter. Yo, let's go, baby. We're doing it. Let's go. Okay, maybe 200. Jesus Christ. All right, so with movement, I need to go like 500, but with rotation, it needs to be like 2. What is that, like 2 degrees? That is so much smoother. Oh, no. Too slow. 10. Look at all these funky. Yeah, exactly. If pitch is locked, it can't bobble. What do you mean? That's clean. That's really, really clean. What happens if we make the path on the server only? or the node specifically. The node specifically. So right click, create network context, server context containing this. No, okay. Right. Target parameter is not, it is in core object dot follow. Target parameter is in a server context. So the target is in a server context. So that means it can't follow it. Okay, fair enough. That's fine. I tried it. I'm just gonna have to make these nodes invisible, which is fine. Now, can I make? Because like I don't want to make them invisible right now because I need to be able to see them. Right? Because like right now I can't see it. So can I just add in the script? No. I could... And I'm going to have multiple paths so the enemies aren't all following a straight line. Yo, ZT, thank you so much for the sub. I really appreciate it.
Hey, Cert.
How's it going? Have a heart. We are doing a tower defense game in core, and it's going pretty well. We are going to be the first tower defense game in core that's actually good. I think. So that's cool. Yeah, it seems like very few people know how to actually program like complex things. So this should be interesting. Yeah, have a bunch of hearts. What do you think of core? I think it's pretty cool. I think it's really cool. And if the player base grows as it is, it's gonna be like Roblox but not for children, basically. ESERT. What does that mean? How is it comparable to Dreams? I'd say the only similarity, like, and I mean that, is it's one thing. Like, you create and you play games on the same program. Other than that, there's almost nothing like it. They're really not similar at all. Like, at all. They're both game development things. Roblox, but for children, Wait, what does that mean? Okay. Let's see. Look, as long as Epic's pumping money into this, I don't see why not to like get into it. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. More complex Project Spark. It's very similar to Project Spark in the sense, but it's much better. Like, guys, I put like multiple years into Project Spark. This is like a legitimate game engine, and Project Spark was not. Does it have a game browser? Oh yeah. Have you not seen that? So let's see. Tower defense. Snowpocalypse. Yeah, there's like one tower defense game? What is this? No, this is so frustrating. When I press escape, it puts me in the core world, which is like a hub with a bunch of games and stuff. But anyway. What if I spell it like that? Okay, it still comes up. Leveling, weapons, tower upgrade. What do you mean leveling? What? Me like it. Okay, so this is the only tower defense game in core, literally. You can make money right now, I believe, with perks. It's called perks. There's an in-game currency that you buy with real money, and you can spend that currency on games people have made. So you can make your games pay to win, basically. That's not necessary. You don't have to, okay? I'm saying you can, and the creator will get 50% of the money. It's a 50-50 split. Would you build your RPG in Dreams or Core? I mean, I'm going to continue building it in Dreams. I don't think I want to build it in Core at the moment, for multiple reasons. One, you can't import voice lines. Two, you can't create your own assets. Three, you cannot custom animate. Yet. If you could, I would heavily consider it. But yeah, three, you can't make custom animations. And those are the three reasons why I don't want to make my RPG in Core at the moment. Cause like I want to have voices. I want to. This is a big game. It's a big boy game. Holy shit. Oh, it's a shovel. Okay, yeah, this is just good. This is so dumb. Like, this isn't a tower. This is so dumb. So, like, this is the only tower defense game in Core, and it's just... It's not laggy for me, by the way, guys. I know it's a little bit laggy for you, but, like, I'm starting in a farm. Like, what is going on? I don't even know. Is this the game? Like, what is this? Why am I farming? Like, why am I farming? It's just... I swear to God, people like once the good games in this get a lot of attention, but they're few and far between, in my opinion. That's why they're putting so much money into this. They're trying to get people to actually make real games. But right now it's like Gary's Mod kind of. This is a pretty good one. This is probably my favorite game in Core. I'll show you. Just to show you like an actual game. Duck, exactly, dude. Exactly. It's not pay to win, but you can make your games pay to win. Gary's Mod's style of games, as in like, no one's really trying, they're just throwing together crap that, like, oh shit. Wait, why did I do that? Do you know what I mean? Like, I've been using this for a couple days. There is a lot of potential to make like quality games. I'm not just saying that. I truly believe that. It's just hard to do that. It's hard. So people instead are doing the easy route, which is like, just like taking stuff people already made and skinning it and just like clickbaiting, and it's just, there is a lot of potential with this. It just takes work. But this game that I'm playing it's like really good, honestly. It's fun too. So I'm gonna do one more hole, but it's cool. Like, it's like a multiplayer mini golf game, but it's not like mini golf. It's almost like a race. It's really cool. Oh, whoa. Oh, frick. Ah! All right, you get the point. You get the point. Is every player-made game remixable? I don't believe any player-made game is remixable. What you can do, though, check this out, is this. So in community content. You can just publish stuff. You can create a template. So it's basically you click on a group and you save it as a template. Actually, I have one of those already. Oh. Wait, these are all templates? Oh, yeah, we're not using any of this. I was just testing stuff out, right? Yeah, I was just testing this stuff out. We're not using any of this. Helper nameplate is being used in my game. Where? No, it's not. Where? No, it's not. Just... So we have our skeleton enemy, and we have our tower. So, by the way, my tower is this thing that I'm spawning in right now, which clearly is not working. But, well, it's working, but, you know. So, my tower is a template, right? Publish to community. So, I could publish this. I'm not going to, because I'm not really sure what happens after this. And then it'll show up here, community content. Now, I'm going to be honest, all right? I'm going to be honest. I don't even know if there's any benefits to this, except for helping people, of course. But, like, I don't know. Like, even if you make the coolest thing ever, like, it's not like you get... So, like, if someone uses your thing, it's not like you get some of their money, like people are freaking out about in Dreams. That's not a thing in this. I'm pretty sure. So there's almost zero incentive to publish anything, but you can. So maybe if you're a content creator that has built their brand around helping people, they could make things to help people, right? But yeah. So that's kind of like the Dreamiverse. So, where's Sway? What does that mean? Dream seems more easy to design it. Oh yeah, 100%. 100%. In this, you have to like drag and drop assets and stuff. And then there's real coding. And in Dreams, it's a lot more user-friendly. I completely agree. I'm not saying this isn't user-friendly, but, you know. Okay, so we have our zombie, our enemy, walking along this path, which is awesome, which is freaking awesome. Okay. Let's see. We like, if we wanted to change these nodes now, like if we wanted to add something, we'd have to delete them all. So maybe we make these a template. Let's delete these. And let's make this a template. Just in case we want to change it. So let's click this. Can we create a template from this? Node. Okay, now, I mean, let's do a test, right? Because I don't actually know if this is going to work. So my system requires them to be named properly. I'm just setting this up as a test really quick. I want him to just zigzag. Okay, clearly it's working. Let's say I want to update these nodes. How do I do that? What if I can update the template. What if I just wanted to like add an object or something? I don't know. Okay, this basketball is now a part of this node, okay? This basketball is now a part of the node. Can I now take this, update template? Yo, look at that! Look at that! That's so nice! So in Dreams, you would save it as its own object, unload from the scene, and go into the object's element scene thing, change it, go back into the scene, update it. With this, all you do is de-instance it, which basically means make it not a template anymore, change it, and then update the template. And it updates all of them. Oh my god, that is so nice. Okay. I'm glad I tested that. So, made it a template, and now let's actually place our nodes. Let's give ourselves a little more room here. It's a shame that tab doesn't go. What is it? Oh, okay, okay. So I want this specific path to be the dead center. And then I want other paths to be around it. Because I'm going to make multiple paths. And then when an enemy spawns in, it'll just choose one of them, basically. So this is a little tedious, all right? This is. There's probably a way to make some sort of like pathfinding system or something. I don't know. But I mean, this isn't that bad. Especially when I actually use the UI correctly. It is really annoying to have to rename these though. Like that is super annoying. I wonder, that's actually like really freaking annoying. Assuming that, okay, so find child by name. Instead I can do find all children. And then, okay. I have an idea and I'm pretty sure it'll work. Get next node. Return prop nodes. Sure. Find child by name. No. I want to try return prop nodes, get all children. Get children, and it returns an array. Get children. Oh, and keep in mind, we're editing this script, right? This script is in all of these. So if I make a change to this script, it updates the script in all of them. It all uses the same script. Hey, Freakzilla, I'm well. Thanks for asking. Get children. So all nodes, local all nodes equals the children. Now we're going to do it. Okay, so here's where it gets interesting. We're going to make a loop that goes through all of the nodes. And I'm hoping that we're getting the nodes in this order. So let's test that. For I node I pairs. I don't remember the exact syntax of this. It's really weird to do a for each loop. In all nodes. I don't remember. I give up. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Lua for each. I don't remember the syntax. It's super freaking weird. Super freaking weird. For I, and then it's called a node in I pairs all nodes do. I was close. I just needed the do. And then end. Okay, so what are we doing? Print node.name. All right? So we are testing whether we're getting them in order. Because ideally, I don't have to name these. It's really annoying. Oh, we're making it. Oh, thank the Lord. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You get them in order. You get them in order. That is really nice. So now that we know we get them in order, what we can do is this. This is really cool. We have this number. To integer script, parent. Oh, parent name. So let's name this node instead. We're not doing the number anymore. This is what we're gonna do. So in this loop, ready? If node is equal to this node, so we're looping through all the nodes in this path. Okay, whatever. We're looping through all the nodes in this path. If the node that this script is in is the one that's being looked at in this for each loop right now, I want the next node to be returned. So how do we do that? So I need to call this like I need a boolean. So if this is true, so okay, hold on. If node equals this node, then whatever this boolean is equals true. What is this boolean called? I don't know, return next node. So if this node equals node, return next node equals true. Is it then? Then return next node equals true. If return next node, and we're going to do that above this so it doesn't trigger. If return next node, that means that the previous node was this node, and we have found we're now on the next node. So if return next node, return node. But wow, I am missing a lot. But hold on, what is this returning? Get next node, it returns... No, okay, so we don't want that. Okay, that did not work. Okay, so something didn't work. Let's just print the node name. Okay, so that worked. IMZT, thank you so much for the gift sub, dude. I really appreciate it. Who do you think is gonna win the fight tonight? The fight? Are you? Oh, hey, Vitufnir. What's up? Oh my god, another gift sub! ZT, what the heck? Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Have some hearts. I appreciate it. I hope you're the only one that can't hear me, but I'm glad you can hear me now. So we are getting the nodes properly. What's going on? I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. What's going on here? So we're looping through all the nodes. We're not returning though. If return next node, okay, so we never hit this. If node equals this node, then return next node equals true. Print true. Okay, so we're never hitting that. All right, so this is never, node never equals this node. All All right. That doesn't really make sense to me. What is this node? This node. Oh. And now it'll work. So I was finding the name, but I want the actual object now. My bad. And now it works. Look at that. Look at that. It works. It works. Okay, look at this. So true, true. Okay. Now here's the real test, guys. Ready? Can we just name these node? Or rather, can we name it literally anything? Because, and like, why am I doing this? It was just annoying. It was just really annoying to have to name them. I just want to be able to quickly copy and paste them. Yes, yes, it works. It works. Okay. Beautiful. Now, is relying on getting all the children in order a good thing? I'm not sure. But what are you gonna do? Hey, Vidofnir, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Jake Paul versus Ben Askren. Dude, I really don't care. I'm sorry. I really don't care who wins. Probably not Jake Paul, but I don't know. All right, let's get rid of these print statements. Nothing against him, but I don't know. It's the first song I actually don't like of this playlist. It's a little too loud. Is the music too loud for you guys? Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Gonna watch Jake get knocked out? Nice. Okay, let's finish the path now that it's really easy to work with. So look how easy this is now. I can just take this node, copy, paste it, and move it. Look at this. Look at this workflow. And it just works. This will just work because of the way I set it up. Oh, this is so nice. Imagine not having arrays. Dreams. No, but seriously though, this is like really nice. Now it is adding networked objects, but oh no, it's not. No, it's not. Never mind. Look at that. It just works. All right. So obviously we're gonna finish this. And it's a template, so if I ever need to change it, I can. Now what? Now what? Can we make the enemy move a little bit smoother? Maybe like a speed of 6? I mean, I can still, well, it doesn't move in a straight line, so the rotation speed actually doesn't even matter. All right, fair enough. Okay, let's see. And let's just check, let's just see what it looks like. Maybe like node path 1. Oh, that actually doesn't do anything. How about in here? Let's just force off, I guess. And this is what it looks like, guys. Very nice. Let's make this a little bit closer to the ground. So we just so this is a group. Honestly, should we just move the entire group lower? Yeah. The animated mesh don't. Oh, look at that! Look, you guys see it? Oh, do you see how it's moving up? Like so. What we actually need to do is, ooh, I don't even know. How do I pause? I think we actually do need to move the mesh down. Because I don't know how to, like... I don't really know what else to do. Which is fine. It's fine. Like, it's... The movement script is working from the center of the group, I think. I don't... I guess what I could do is take this next node. Oh no, I'm using follow. It's not a vector 3. So it's an object. So I was gonna say take the node's position and subtract the y a little bit, but you know what? No, it's really not that big of a deal. Oh wait, can't I just move? What if I just move the movement script? Okay, what if I move it like way lower? Yeah, it just goes back up because it's following. It's trying to follow the node. Okay, let's see. Let's reset that. I'm just gonna lower this. I think this is the correct solution. Is this rotated? No. To just lower this guy a little bit. There you go. Even more. Even more. Okay, now he's in the ground. That's fine. Pretty damn good. All right, cool. Oh. What is... Oh, I can still collide with the nodes. Oh no. Okay, so here we go. Here's our first test. Here's our first test to see if like this template actually works. We're gonna take this and we are going to... Well, wait, can I just change the setting like this? So game collision, force off. Or actually, oh, it inherits from the parent. So what if I just did this? Game collision, force off. And let's actually make it visible just so we can test this. So now the nodes shouldn't be collidable. Okay, but it still collides with the camera? Camera collision, okay, all right. It looks like we got everything we need here. So, because it's inheriting from the parent, I don't even have to edit these nodes. Look at that. Oh. Oh no. Wait. Oh shit. We need collision. Because if we don't have collision, the triggers don't work. Okay. Oh. Well, no, we just have to update this template. All right, here's a test. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? So we're actually going to just put this back to inherit. And we're going to take this node. We're going to de-instance. We're going to go to the trigger. Not the trigger. We're going to go... Yes, actually the trigger. Force on the collision. Going to go to the node. Game collision. Force off. Visibility. Force off. Force it off. Camera. Force off. Okay. Update template. Let's go, it works. And notice how there's no node collision at all. Look at that. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. All right. Very happy with this. Very, very happy with this. Hey, Zeph. On a scale of 1 to 7,001, have you missed me? Oh my god, 7,000. 7,002, Seth. I missed you. This feels so weird. Oh boy. Hey, Ping. Heard about this recently. Was kind of intrigued by it. Yeah, how's the editor? I like the editor a lot. You can customize it like however you want, which is really, really nice. I have everything on this one screen just so you guys can see it, but I probably would be putting some stuff on my second monitor. So the editor, I like it. I like it a lot. Yo, ZT's that. Thank you so much for another sub, dude. I really appreciate it. Okay. How big should the towers be, by the way? And should the towers have collision? I don't think they should. I don't really want the player colliding with them. But we'll worry about that later. Let's look at the enemy spawner. And what I want to do now is just spawn an enemy in every 2 seconds. I don't know. So enemy spawn manager. And we have our skeleton enemy, and this is a template, I believe. And I kind of want to delete it. Let's see. Okay, so we have the enemy spawn manager. We need spawn points now. Can we go to this node? Can we make this one visible for a second? Actually, no. We don't need to make it visible. We have our spawn manager. Let's put this first node as a property in it. And we just want to spawn the skeleton at this position. Can we do that? World spawn asset. Position equals spawn position. Position equals, prop node get world position. And then not prop tower, we want the skeleton. So let's go into the script again. We're already in it. Project content, skeleton. Here's our skeleton, and we're gonna spawn it. Okay. And, oh. Okay, that didn't work. I mean, it worked, but it didn't work. Which is the theme of my entire life. Let's see. Do you have a grand idea project this work is a part of? I'm just making a tower defense. I'm going to try to make a tight, like a well-polished, tight tower defense that's actually fun. What's up, Alva? You've done stuff in Unity and Unreal before, so it might take take a look at doing something with this, dude. Hey, I mean, I would check it out, definitely. I saw Visual VS Code when I first came here. Was it JavaScript? No, it's Lua. It's Lua. It is Lua. But the fact that you can't control the player's camera, and who said that? Oh, you can 100% control the player's camera. What made you think you can't control the player's camera? You can control on the client side. You can do whatever you want, and every game has to be first or third person. Dude, that's not true. Alpha, you can do whatever you want. You don't. It does not have to be that way. I am personally using the built-in character and making it third person because I feel like it's good to use, because like people potentially spend money on their characters, and it's kind of lame if you make a game that you can't see your own character in. It's completely fine, but I don't know. For my first game, I don't want to do that. I guess the little perspective is third person. There are 100% camera controls. Yes, there are. I feel like I've already played in games with different cameras. Played some jelly thing. Okay, yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay, so Ping, you've been trying this out. That's cool. Camera was much more over the shoulder. Yeah, you can control it however you want. It's just the vast majority of people creating on this don't really know what they're doing. In game design or in programming. So it's kind of this is not it's not like Dreams in the sense that you need to know programming if you want to make anything worthwhile. You need to know programming. You need someone on your team that knows programming. So that's what you get for assuming. Yeah. Now, I want to spawn the skeleton. We did not properly get this position. Well, actually, I don't know. I mean, let's just print it and see what happens. Okay, so that's the position. Why? But I put in this node. What? Wait, what? What? I really don't understand. What is happening? Get world position. I mean, this isn't the world, right? That wasn't the world position because it's inside a group. But actually, no, it was because it's 0, 0, 0, 0. So. I'm kind of confused. I don't know. I mean, I can try like adding another object, which is just going to be like spawn position 1, basically. What's the best way to get this? Because, like, it just spawned it out in the middle of nowhere. It spawned it, like, really far away. Get position offset. Maybe that's what I want. Or maybe just get position. What is get position offset? This is super annoying how it doesn't just bring me to the actual function. Oh, this is the camera stuff. Never mind. Oh, duh. It's the camera. My bad. So let's try get position, I guess, instead of world position. Let's just see what it prints. It prints the same thing. Okay. I mean, I doubt this will work as well, so. I mean, I don't know. Let's try adding an object. I really don't know. I mean, what if? Okay, hold on. What if we did the position of the script? What if we did the position of the script? Why is it moving? What the hell's going on? That was weird. What's going on? Does script even have a position? I think it's just a visual thing. Okay, so maybe like position it equals script. Wait. Oh my god, wait. Wait. We need to delete that, don't we? And then if we go to our project content, skeleton enemy. I am so confused. Wait a second. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the center. Oh, shoot. Oh no. That's why it was messed up. Look at this. This is the center. This is where our enemy is. So what we have to do is de-instance and then recenter it like this. No wonder it wasn't working. Okay. And now we want to update template from this and then delete it. So now position prop node. Prop node get position. There we go. There we go. So yes, it's a little bit off, but we can fix that. Much better though. Actually, why is that a little bit off? Hold on. No. Okay, so I think I know the issue. And it is unfortunate, to be completely honest. The issue is that this trigger is called on begin overlap. And the problem is it never begins to overlap because it spawns there, right? It doesn't ever move into the trigger zone. It's been spawned into it. Does that make sense? So like if we yeah, look. I mean, it's clearly in the trigger zone, right? But if we unpause, it's not going to the next one because the function never got triggered. So how do we fix that? We fix that by spawning it back here. Okay. Maybe like out of a portal or something. And well, here, let me show you. So we let's get an enemy back in here so I can actually see the script. Move to next node. Next node. We need to manually call that on one of the node paths. So let's spawn it. Let's spawn it on an object. So is there like a portal or something? Of course not. What's this? Oh shit. That's cool. Game portal. Okay. Here, I'm just getting a little wonky. Game portal. Portal VFX. Oh shit. Yeah, let's not use the game portal. Portal VFX, good enough. Portal, what? Why can't I read this? These are sounds. And then we can change a bunch of this stuff. I kind of want to make it darker. That's not what I expected. What about the base color? Where's the base? Where's the center? Oh. Oh, like it's an actual portal. Okay, okay. Hell. Background texture, hell. Oh, this game is great. Oh, hey Swarm, what's up? Unreal Engine Redux. Yeah, exactly. I'm spending way too much time on this. Yeah, hell, it's cliche. Underground lava. Oh wait, what's this? Grid world? Whoa. Underground lava is kind of cool. And then I don't know, man. Okay, let's see. So this is the portal the enemies come out of. Don't worry about how shitty it looks. For some reason, it has a shadow. I don't know why. And it's flat. It's just completely flat. Can we portal spread? Whoa! Oh my god, and we can animate this too. Oh, that's actually sick. Yo, that's sick. Portal shape? Okay, this is actually pretty cool. Circle's fine. Edge distance. I just wish it was more three-dimensional, but I mean, it's the nature of VFX. Oh, do I have it backwards too? No. What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't like how when you look at it straight on, it's... Well, actually, that's kind of just what it is. All right, fair enough. Let's see. Okay, let's make a group. Create group, and this is going to be called spawn. All right. And in the spawn group, we're going to have the portal VFX and maybe some sort of like spawn point. Although, I mean, this is just spawn related stuff, but that's pretty much all that goes into it right now. Let's assume there's going to be a script that runs that animates this or something. That'll go in the spawn folder. Actually, yeah, let's make a point. Let's do this. Put that. And then this sphere is going to be spawn position. And we're going to spawn it right there. Maybe like behind the portal a little bit. You're probably wondering, why don't you just use the portal as the spawn position? Well, I might want to change the portal's position. I want to have an object dedicated to that. Visible, sure. Collision, no. Camera collision, no. Okay, now enemy spawn manager. We're going to add the spawn position to that. And now we're going to... I wish it auto-updated this. Prop spawn position, so new enemy... Yeah, position equals prop node. Nope, position equals... prop spawn position. Okay, no more prop node. We don't need that anymore. What do we need to do now? We need... Oh, well, we actually do need that node. Because we need to be able to send it to that node. So, my bad. And we're going to have multiple node paths. Okay, let's see. Okay. It's really cool. Thanks, nobody. I appreciate it. Yeah, it is really cool. I like it a lot. Love to see game dev in Core. Hell yeah, Captain Rascal. I am new. I am 2 days old in Core and Lua. I mainly play Dreams for PS4/5. If you've never heard about it, you should check it out. Here is that link. But I think this is the command. Yeah. I'm checking Core out. I really like it. I love the potential to make money. I'm gonna be honest. So here I am. But I also like being able to like actually program for real, as a because most of these game maker engine things, there's no programming. It's, you know, but with this there is, and it's really cool. Holy shit! All right, thank you so much, man. Holy shit! Thank you so much. What the hell? Gifting 25 tier 1 subs. Dude, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. Let's get everyone subbed. All right. Oh my god. Thanks, man. I really, really appreciate it. I'm gonna turn sound off on the emotes. I'm gonna try to at least. But wow, thank you so much. Wait. What's an easy way to turn the sound off? Oh no. I know in Streamlabs it was really easy. It's a good problem to have though. It's definitely a good problem to have. Let's go into alerts maybe. No, I don't know, but who cares? Thank you so much. You're the co-founder of Manticore. All right. Hell yeah. I may have some questions for you. just because like I have no idea what I'm doing. This is literally my 3rd day. Although I managed to do quite a lot. My questions are your basilisk in core. That's really awesome. My questions stem from me literally having no experience in networking at all. But I managed to make it so when I click the ground, I spawn in a tower. And that was cool. Because the problem, well, it wasn't really a problem, but the aiming is all client side. And I had to broadcast my, what did I do? I don't even know what I did. Right. So when I clicked, I broadcasted an event, build tower attempt, to my, just to the server. I broadcasted it to the server. And then, oh, tower spawner. And then here, I connected to that event, and then the server spawned the asset. That was hard. Because I just wanted the spawn shit. But apparently the client can't just do that. So, but, you know, it's cool. Have you tested it in multi? Yes, I have, and it's working. It's well, not recently. I'm getting an error too. What's up, babe? Yeah, no, I know. It's almost 11. Yeah, so spawning stuff actually does work, which is really, really cool. But what is this error? Oh no. Okay, so I want, what was I doing? When the no, it's okay. It's my fault for not knowing how to mute them. Okay. I can't focus at all right now. the freaking woes. Looks like you're well on your way. Yeah, thank you so much. I would like to be able to actually know what I'm doing here. This script helper thing is really nice. It's really nice being able to look up any function. Navigating the API, the search can be kind of frustrating. It doesn't always work how I'd like it, but okay. When the enemy spawns in, where's the enemy spawner? When the enemy spawns in, I want to tell it to go to a certain position. Print prop node. So position print prop node get position. Okay, so this is why it didn't work. All right, so there. Okay, it's working. I'm printing the position. That's not what I want. So this is what I want to do. I want the enemy spawn manager to to send the enemy to the first node. All right, so here's the first node. What I need to do, I have the new enemy. So what I need to do is take the new enemy, and for some reason I have to write dot context before I call its function, but whatever. So dot context, dot, and then the enemy has a function move to next node. So I'm going to call that, and I'm going to send it the first node in the path. And it didn't work. Okay, that's fine. Oh, context didn't work. Uh-oh. Why didn't that work? You can drag and drop from. You can drag it. What? I was right clicking and copying it. Oh, that's cool. You can drag it. Yeah, but then it disappears. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Right. If you're using. Oh man, don't get me started on your editor. Your editor's really bad. I wish it had autofill, dude. If there's because this doesn't. I think this autofill only works if you've already used the function before, but I might be wrong. If you add actual autofill, it would be so amazing. So new enemy, yeah, new enemy is a template exactly, and I'm spawning it, and it's spawning incorrectly. I think. Wait, I hope. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't think it is spawning incorrectly. This is here just because I wanted to edit it. Oh shit, so it's not even spawning. It was spawning. Position equals prop spawn position get position. Prop spawn position is this. Oh, is it get world position? Shouldn't it be the same thing though? Oh, it worked. Get world position. Okay, okay. My bad. So there it is. Now we're still, we still have the same issue. So, okay. Attempt to index a nil value field. Okay, so this is just wrong or something. Oh, I need the script. Oh, I need the, yeah, duh. Okay, so I just need the script. I need to get the enemy movement script. Do I remember how to do that? Yeah, I would have got there. I would have got there eventually, but you saved me probably 3 minutes. So new enemy dot get, nope. Get child. Why? Okay. So this is probably a Lua thing, but the colon versus the dot, like why? It's so annoying. It's like unbelievably annoying. Coming from C#. Get child from name, or maybe from type. No, definitely from name. And then move enemy movement. I probably should name it movement manager, but it's fine. Dot context. Okay. Damn it. Get child from name. Get child from name. Is that not right? Oh, find. It's find, isn't it? It's find child. We're not getting it. We're finding it. No, we're not finding it, apparently. Okay, I'll look it up. Find child by name. As this, and dot is for static functions. I don't get the difference. I'm going to be honest. As this isn't like it's. Maybe I get the difference. And dot is a static function. So it's like object oriented related. Colon is for things that are objects, and dot is not. Maybe. Okay, new enemy. Yeah, referencing an actual instance of an object. Okay. Find child. Oh, it's by name. See, I tried to do it from memory, just okay, it still didn't work. Okay, I know. No, I'm not going to. I'm good. I'm just gonna get a drink. Why didn't this work? You fell asleep? Aw. How was it?
It was good. I don't remember what was happening.
Nice.
I'm really tired. Please end your stream soon.
Why isn't this working? Oh, did I not save it? Oh, I didn't save it. Huh. Thanks, yeah. Called with incorrect number of parameters. Okay, so now... Oh, it worked. All right, it worked. Cool. So now this is called with the incorrect... okay, so next node is probably wrong because these two didn't change. So I sent the wrong thing into this probably. Yes, I did. Okay. Oh, no, I didn't. Prop node path, context dot move to next node. So this is an object, I think. It should be... is it this node or is it... ooh, maybe it's not an object. I mean, I can print the type. Let's try that. Let's just see. So let's print this type. Let's see what it is. Static mesh. So that should be fine, I thought. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't save it. That's a bad habit. Called with incorrect number or type of parameters. Oh, so it's just straight up, yeah, incorrect number or type of parameters. Wait, but this was working before. I must have done something wrong. I mean, of course I did, obviously. Let's get rid of that and put it back in. I just want this node. I want to send the enemy to this node specifically. Yes, I'm almost done. All right. Let's just call it node. Why is Acer using core now? I am trying it out. I'm trying it out, and I think I'm going to use it. I think I'm gonna do core streams every Saturday and then dreams during the weekdays. Maybe you hear this very often. Thanks a lot for your videos on YouTube. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. I do hear it, and it makes me happy every time I hear it. You helped improve your own dreams. Never give up on streaming and supporting the dreams community. I won't. What videos specifically? Andy, I wish, dude. Holy shit. That's funny. I don't know why this isn't working, but we'll figure it out tomorrow. I'm sending in context, move to next node. I'm sending in this. To this. And it's yelling at me about the follow function. Core object target number speed. I mean, let's just get rid of the min distance, I guess, which is not doing anything. Prop speed. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, and do we have to like update this? Oh, maybe that's why. No, that's not why. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. I'll probably figure it off stream. But For example, the variables store multiple numbers. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a very good one. Yeah, have a good night, guys. Have a good night, Captain Rascal. It's really cool seeing you here, and the 25 gift subs. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. We managed. Well, okay, it's not working right now, but it was working. Where, well, actually, we can just. If I put this one right in the right place, he will. Okay, so it was working. I take my word for it. Where the enemies follow the path, but we broke it by trying to spawn them in through code. But we will fix it. Tomorrow we're going to be doing a Sunday stream. I don't remember which one, but it's not Stationeers. It's gonna be something else. But anyway, yeah. Have a good night, guys. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Dendy, you definitely can. Yes. It's pretty much just like Roblox. Let's raid someone. Is anyone, if no one, let's check if anyone's creating in Core, and if not, we're going to, oh, there's this guy. Should we raid this guy again? The trickery? I hate being able to hear myself. Yep, let's raid this guy. What? Natalie's my girlfriend. Star Trek Babe is my girlfriend, if anyone is confused. Is there no way to import custom art assets? So you can't import art assets, and you also can't import audio, which is a massive downside, to be honest. But a really cool thing with the art is if you like combine meshes together, you can make it so they share a material, which is really, really cool. Yeah, I know. So, but Andy, look into it. Just check out the art part of it. It's not as constricting as you think, but I mean, it's still, compared to Dreams, of course it is. All right. Anyway, guys, I'll see you later. Have a great night.